Simple tenses. Simple tenses are the most basic form of tense in English grammar. They do not show any additional information about the time of the action or state, such as whether it is ongoing, completed, or habitual. There are three simple tenses: present, past, and future. Present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to describe actions or states that happen regularly or are true in general. The verb form is the same for all subjects, singular or plural. For example, I eat lunch every day. She goes to school every day. We play soccer every weekend. They watch TV every night. The sun rises in the east. The birds fly south for the winter. The flowers bloom in the spring. The leaves change color in the fall. The waves crash on the shore. The wind blows through the trees. Past simple tense. Past simple tense is used to describe actions or states that happened in the past. The verb form changes for the third person singular: he, she, it. For example, I ate lunch yesterday. She went to school yesterday. We played soccer yesterday. They watched TV last night. The sun rose this morning. The birds flew south this winter. The flowers bloomed this spring. The leaves changed color this fall. The waves crashed on the shore yesterday. The wind blew through the trees yesterday. Future simple tense. Future simple tense is used to describe actions or states that will happen in the future. The verb form is the same for all subjects, singular or plural. For example, I will eat lunch tomorrow. She will go to school tomorrow. We will play soccer tomorrow. They will watch TV tonight. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. The birds will fly north for the summer. The flowers will bloom next spring. The leaves will change color next fall. The waves will crash on the shore tomorrow. The wind will blow through the trees tomorrow. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about simple tenses. The present simple tense can also be used to make a general statement or offer a command. For example, The sun rises in the east. Please close the door. The past simple tense can also be used to describe actions that are still happening now. For example, I have been working on this project for hours. The future simple tense can also be used to describe actions that are planned or scheduled. For example, I am going to the doctor tomorrow. Conclusion. Simple tenses are a basic but important part of English grammar. They are used to describe actions or states that happen regularly, in the past, or in the future. By understanding simple tenses, you can communicate more effectively in English.